arm screwdriver with magnet on it. We go really fast. Once the screw is engaged, we just first slowly rotate it, and once we're engaged, we can go fast. So we start using our opening tool from right here. Twist it up, both sides. One screw is a little hard to get in. Once we engage, as you can see, I organize the screws the same order I take it out. The first thing you do without metal, not this, is a battery. Do it with your nail or with plastic. Now we got that out of the way. We take the Face ID out. There's a glue right here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna lift the cable from right here slowly, so we don't damage this sensitive cable. Now that Face ID is out, I can just grab the other cables and take. Make sure everything is organized. Got some glue adhesive for these tiny parts, so I'm gonna go slow, and I'm gonna use my tool where I have room. I have more room on this side than this one, so first I go that one and then this one. Once it's loose, I can use my finger, lift it up. This tiny part, that's the Face ID sensor. Out, make sure it's all good and clean. This LCD is trash, throw it away. Take out the new LCD. Always remove this plastic, because if you don't, the phone's gonna have touch issue someday. Make sure all these three components are fit. Make sure the holes are aligned. So we put our first screw in. Gotta make sure the screw is in a good position, like this. Hole is aligned, and we go in. Second one. Hope you can see this tiny screw. First cable goes in is the Face ID, because it's the most sensitive part, and it's in a weird angle, so we have to first put it in this way, and then we twist the screen the other way so we can connect the LCD cables. When you're aligning these, be very patient. It will click. Since it's a rectangle, make sure both sides are secure. Now we're ready for connecting the battery. Now everything is connected. At this point, I make sure my cables are in good position so they don't get tight and torn once I close the screen. Once I'm at this stage, I'll just turn it on to test it. Now the phone's charging. This is the old water resistant adhesive. It's better to take it out because we don't want to have fitting issues. You put the plate on, make sure the first hole is aligned, make sure your screw is aligned and positioned properly. You're ready. Now the plate is much more secure than it was. We don't have to hold it. got the screen fixed. We make sure everything works.